कि इज इट एक कोई स्पेशलाइज सब्जेक्ट है or it is a core electronics and telecommunication subject. What exactly this is? So first of all, we should understood that things, right? So if you see the name, so the subject name is a radiation and microwave techniques, right? So can anybody tell me what do you mean by radiation? Yes, radiation क्या है? कोई बता सकता है? Yes, Nikhil, बताओ, what do you mean by radiation?
नहीं मालूम सर।
Yes, रेडिएशन का क्या मतलब होगा? रेडिएशन
एनर्जी रिलीज होती है।
क्या होता है?
एनर्जी रिलीज होती है।
एनर्जी रिलीज होती है। गुड, राइट। एनीबडी एल्स? इन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रेडिएशन? जैसे अभी निखिल ने बताया कि he told that कि radiation is nothing but it is a process in which energy released. Okay, so that is the what we can say, it is a one type of definition. Okay, but what exactly a radiation means? Yes, anybody else? Yes, Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by radiation? Yes, answer may be wrong. ठीक है, it is not necessary that you should know exactly what it is, because you are learning this subject. You are not already learned this subject, है ना? So what is
Yes.
your assumption में, or what is your understanding? So that I would like to know. What do you mean by radiation? Just means Nikhil told ki yes, radiation is nothing but it is a emission of energy. So what do you, in what sense you understood this term?
नहीं पता सर।
नहीं पता, okay. ठीक है. Anybody else? Sumaya, do you know what do you mean by radiation? Yes. Audio on करो आप. Audio on करके you can talk. Okay, fine. ठीक है, we got 2-3 answers. Radiation is nothing but it is the emission of energy, right? So energy means, what do you mean by energy? That is very important. कि आप radiation में energy emit होता है. So what do you mean by energy? Yes. Energy का definition क्या है? We know the law of energy conservation, है ना? क्या है law of energy conservation? We cannot create energy or we cannot destroy the energy, है ना? So what do you mean by energy? So before learning this subject, it is very important that we have to understand this term. What is radiation? Radiation is nothing but it is the emission of energy, right? So what do you mean by energy then? That is second term. Yes, anybody can tell? What do you mean by energy? Okay. Okay, have you heard about the atom? Yes. Atom के बारे में हमने सुना है. Bohr's atomic model, right? So in Bohr's atomic model, we already studied the internal structure of any material, right? So any material is what I can say, what is the core part of any material? कोई भी material हम लोग लेते हैं, it may be metal, it may be insulator, or it may be semiconductor. So each and every metal is each and every metal का जो core part रहेगा, what is that core part? Yes, क्या रहेगा? कोई भी metal, अगर कोई भी material, ना, I am not saying metal, when we say material का core part हमारा क्या रहेगा? यस, कोई बता सकता है? कोई भी मटेरियल का कोर पार्ट क्या रहेगा हमारा? यस, भक्ति, कोई भी मटेरियल हम लेते हैं तो उसका कोर पार्ट क्या रहेगा? तो when we analyze the, yes, भक्ति, क्या रहेगा कोर पार्ट? यस, बी फ्रैंक, अभी ये थोड़ा बहुत तो समझो हमारा क्या
नहीं पता।
तो कोई भी मटेरियल का कोर
नहीं
पार्ट
पता।
नहीं पता, ओके। कोई भी मटेरियल का कोर पार्ट होता है, दैट इज वी हैव द 3 पार्टिकल्स, है ना? तो कौन कौन से? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, फोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स, है ना? तो फोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स ये हमारे न्यूक्लियस में रहते हैं, और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो होते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उस न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड एक ऑर्बिटल रूट में मूव करते हैं, राइट? तो इफ ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो है हमारे उस एटम के अराउंड मूव करते हैं, मतलब those electrons are nothing but, in other words we call them as a charge particle. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Charge particle. They carry the charge, okay? So that charge is nothing but, in other sense we called it as, they carry some amount of energy. Getting the things? कि वो कुछ अमाउंट में एनर्जी कैरी करते हैं. सो सपोज कि अगर समझो कोई एक्सटर्नल एनर्जी उस एटम के अंदर आ जाता है, कि suppose some external energy, it may be photo energy, it may be heat energy, or whatever it may be. If some energy is added into that existing energy, then what happens? That those electrons are released from that atom. If it is a semiconductor, so in that scenario, the bond will be break. If it is a metal, so in metal already free electrons are there, so those will be released. In case of only insulator, the orbit is fulfilled, so that's why those electrons are not released. Means what I mean to say that if some external energy comes, so in that scenario, that atom release some amount of electrons, right? So those electrons are nothing but, we called it, those electrons are nothing but, we already discussed that they are having some amount of charge, and that charge is nothing but, we treat that charge as a energy. Getting the things? We treat that charge as a energy, and the atom is releasing the electrons, means it is released, the atom is releasing the electrons, means the atom is releasing the energy, okay? And just now Nikhil told us that radiation is nothing but, it is the emission of energy, right? So what do you mean by energy? Means ultimately what I mean to say that radiation is nothing but, it is the emission of electron. What the things, right? कि आप रेडिएशन में क्या होता है? एनर्जी रिलीज हो रही है. तो एनर्जी रिलीज हो रही है मतलब क्या हो रहा है? अल्टीमेटली इट इज रिलीजिंग द सम अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? आ गया समझ में कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रेडिएशन? कि कोई भी जो एटम है, वो कुछ रेडिएशन आ रहा है. जैसे हमने रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट देखे, यूरेनियम है ना, टेंटिनियम है, ऐसे बहुत सारे रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स हैं. दे आर releasing the energy. Means what they are doing actually, they are releasing the they are releasing the what? क्या रिलीज कर रहे हैं? वो एनर्जी रिलीज कर रहे हैं, मतलब
electrons.
They are releasing the electrons, and that process is nothing but, the process is known as a radiation. Is it clear to all? रेडिएशन किसको बोलते हैं? कि कोई भी जो भी मटेरियल है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिलीज कर रहा है, मतलब अल्टीमेटली इट इज रिलीजिंग द एनर्जी, एंड द प्रोसेस इज नथिंग बट, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ रेडिएशन. इसको हम डिटेल में वन बाय वन देखेंगे, अभी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स में वो सारी चीजें आएंगी. बट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टूड दैट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रेडिएशन. एंड दिस रेडिएशन में मतलब क्या हो रहा है कि वी आर रिलीजिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, राइट? So electrons is nothing but it is some amount of energy, right? So abhi, if this basic core concept is clear, then we will talk about the communication, different types of antennas, है ना, or different types of abhi, in previous lecture you might have the computer communication network, है ना, CCN या CN computer networks में कि एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर को डेटा जा रहा है, right? If there is a wireless transmission, means in wireless transmission what you have a transmitter antenna, you have the receiving antenna, right? So what transmitter does, it radiates the energy, getting the things, and receiver antenna receive the energy. So the very important concept is that what is the energy. So in this subject what we understood, that energy is nothing but there are some amount of electrons which are moving from this transmitter to receiver, okay, and the movement of electron from transmitter to receiver is nothing but the process is called as the radiation, right? Means transmitter radiates the energy. In other language we can say transmitter radiates the energy, right? और उसको हम अलग अलग तरीके से बहुत बहुत सारे व्हाट आई मीन टू से कि बहुत सारे अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस में हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, जैसे ट्रांसमीटर रेडिएट्स एनर्जी, ट्रांसमीटर ट्रांसमिट इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव, राइट, या ट्रांसमीटर ट्रांसमिट सिग्नल. So signal, electromagnetic wave, energy. So these things are nothing but ultimately transmitter transmitting some amount of electrons, and receiver receive the radiated energy, receiver receive the signal, or receiver receive the energy. Okay, so what does it mean? The receiver is receiving the electrons. Is it clear? So this is the first part of, now we are try to understanding the name of the subject, right? What is the radiation? So I think this process is understood to you, right? Now next one, that is a microwave technique, right? So in microwave, so first we have to understood this word microwave. Okay, so forget about the micro. Now just tell me about the wave. What do you mean by wave? Yes, wave मतलब क्या? क्योंकि in today's lectures, right, okay, I think 10 minutes are left क्योंकि हमारा Zoom का जो session है is only 40 minutes session. Okay, so according to time we will proceed. So the second word, that is a microwave. So tell me, what do you mean by microwave? First, just divide this word as the micro and wave. So what do you mean by wave? Yes, कौन बोलेगा? Shruti, just tell me, what do you mean by wave? Okay, क्लास में तो आपको स्कोप रहता है, नीचे मुंडी डाल के आप यस नजरें चुका सकते हो, बट हियर who is online, who is offline, whose audio is on, whose audio is off, so it is clear. So just on your audio and tell me the answer. Yes, Shruti, bolo. What do you mean by wave? I'm not asking microwave. What do you mean by wave? Yes. Yes, next one, Sanjana, bolo, what do you mean by wave? Yes. हाँ बोलो, what do you mean by wave? Yes, ये फर्स्ट लेक्चर है इसलिए थोड़ा घर में भी एडजस्ट होने टाइम हो रहा होगा. Yes, but give the answer. What do you mean by wave? Okay, anybody one? Anybody else? Yes. because these things has to be clear. Tanuja, bolo, what do you mean by wave? Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Madhura, what do you mean by wave? Yes, the session should be interactive, right? सेशन हमारा इंटरेक्टिव होना चाहिए. यस, यहाँ पर कोई ऐसे नहीं कि आता है नहीं आता है, वो थोड़ी हमको चेक करना है, राइट? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय वेव? यस भक्ति, बोलो.
It is the form of motion.
It is the form of motion, right? It is the form of motion means uh, in which direction? It is a straight. अभी जैसे एक मोशन, जैसे एक सपोज वी हैव any vehicle, 4-wheeler or 2-wheeler. So if it is moving from some place, source to destination, right? So it is moving straight way. So can we call it as a wave? The motion is in motion, आपका wave हो रहा है. Yes. Okay, fine. So simply just you have to understood that a wave is nothing but, suppose we have a water pool and we just throw a stone into that. Okay. So what it will do? What happens? A wave will be generated. So wave is nothing but uh, uh, it is a angular motion, right? It means the wave is first it go upwards, then downwards, then upwards, then downwards, right? So that angular motion is nothing but we called it as a wave, right? Is it clear? So what do you mean by wave? So wave is nothing but it is an angular motion, right? And what do you mean by frequency? Now second term, wave is clear. And what do you mean by frequency? Definition of frequency. So we already studied. So just recall that. So frequency is nothing but, we know that frequency is nothing but it is the number of cycles per second, right? So number of cycles per second. So in microwave, so first we will understood that what is wave? Wave is nothing but it is an angular motion, and frequency is nothing but number of cycles per second, right? So that is the first thing. Second thing, micro means what? Okay. So if we see the word micro, micro is nothing but it is the very small, right? So it is related with the, yes, wavelength of that wave. Okay. So that we will study in next lecture, because this is only 40 minute session and just 2 minutes are left, right? So what we understood in today's lecture, just I summarize the lecture. In this, we understood the word radiation and microwave. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Fine. So I think we got the link, and जैसे भी as per the timetable, whatever will be the next lecture, so we will proceed as per our syllabus. Okay. So would we stop here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Thank you very much and take care. Okay. तो कोरोना का भी चल रहा है, तो just take care and now I will just close the session. Fine. Oh, chalo. Thank you.